Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro. In this video I'll show you the most common way to factory reset your smartphone. Thanks to factory reset, we can restore default settings and status of our smartphone. This procedure erases all information from the smartphone, so make sure that you backed up your device, because once after the procedure is finished, every photo, message or information from your smartphone will be deleted. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to about phone. Scroll down and go to factory reset. Here is the list of all items that will be erased. Select erase all data, and now you can back up. Confirm. Next you can clear or keep eSIM data. Confirm. And it's done. Now your smartphone will prepare for reset. After the reset, you have to set up your smartphone from the beginning. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.